Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to select multiple text box in publisher document. So let's started. At first open your publisher document. In this video, I will show select multiple text box. Now going to the insert button option. Then click. Now click for text box. Draw text box. Now draw a text box. Now type from text. Then again text box. Now draw a text box. Then again text box. Now we can see, then select for multiple text box, then click for a first text box, then keyboard press for control, then again click for second text box, then click for a control and click for a third text box. That is. Then going to the format button option. Now select for all object. That is. Then you can say select from a multiple text box is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for